Hello, welcome to Yogam Sharanam Gacchami. Om Namah Shivaya. Today we will going to learn Shirsasana, how to perform Shirsasana. Okay. If you are new to this channel, please do subscribe and press bell button there, all. Okay. And also share this video. And if you like, please like it and comment and share it. Thank you. Let us go how to practice, how to achieve Shirsasana if you are a beginner. Yes. Firstly, go like this. Raise on the toes, slowly bend and Vajrasana. This is yogic sitting. In this way we have to come. Now, slowly you have to check here whether stones are irregular surface should not be there. Flat surface should be there because our head should be lay on floor, so that we should take care of the surface, soft surface, especially little bit semi-soft, not so soft, because that gives another problem. So anyway, take like this, firm lock, interlock your fingers, then put your head then straighten your head and shoulders, take your toes like this, slowly raise your knee straight in this way. Okay, in this position you must wait for a few seconds so that the adjustment of the body and mind and also the coordination will start to increase here. Now here slowly bend your knee, then lift like this. Okay, then slowly get down, because if you are a beginner you practice like this. Of course you can practice in front of the wall here. Okay, that is so better. You may avoid simply fear. Now once again, bend knees, take like this, hold on here, breathe slowly, lift your legs straight. Okay, concentrate on the whole body. Very, very important asana. This is king of the asanas, Shirsasana. On the head only we have to stand, so the coordination between mind and body will improve a lot. And our elasticity of the bones will increase, especially spinal cord. All the discs gets energized, will get smoothened and massaged with this constant supply of breaths in Shirsasana. If you are a beginner, just come down. I will show. If you are already okay, you are into the yoga, been Shirsasana for past some months, you can continue for 5 minutes likewise. Now beginner, you can come like this, bend your knee, take like this, slowly touch your toes and knees, then come to the Shashankasana position. This is compensatory. Resting and relaxing in Shashankasana is very important after Shirsasana. The fluids towards brain were encouraged any like due to inverted position, so that we have to bring back that heaviness in a right manner, in right approach, in a technical way. Slowly take your hands, close your eyes, slowly get up into the Vajrasana. Very slow, don't open your eyes. Yes, now open your eyes. Take your hands like this, stand on to the knee, then take toes. This is Shirsasana. Okay, how it is? Thank you very much. And then after standing in Tadasana, that is, this is Tadasana, okay, after in standing position, then you can go for Shavasana. Otherwise, you should not go directly to the Shavasana in. So, all the chakras will receive immediate electrification through the inverted position. So, that is why it is a king of the asana. The Kundalini straight away goes from the anus to top of the head, from Muladhara chakra to Sahasrara, straight away, like a rocket speed, okay? So that's why yogis prefers, especially Nada yogis, prefers this Shirsasana, okay? In Kashi, you can find it, right? Anyway, in this Shirsasana, there are some more advances. We will practice in some other time. Thank you very much. Om Namah Shivaya. Meanwhile, you practice like this, okay? Thank you. Please do subscribe.